Hello everybody, today we're going to be playing some Minecraft Company. In today's video, it's a big update because next week is... What's next week?
Next week
Yeah,
is Easter!
Yes, and today's the Easter update, which... What the frick? Why does it have ears and there's eggs and stuff? We had the... I think that's where the new map is. They changed that, but... I guess that's there. There's a new map, new item, like new customized item. I'm not for sure if there's new items that we can buy. What's it called? New unreleased, new bundle, some new skins, and some fans for no absolute reason, and some really cool stuff. So we're gonna be checking it all out in today's video. So let's get started. Okay, so first, before we go check out the other stuff, I already showed you, there's a photo of the chicken with some Easter bunny ears. I think that's like one of its powers. Don't tell me if you know. But here's the new custom item that we're going to try and find. It's the Easter egg. But let's show you the unreleased item, honestly, first. So the unreleased item is kind of like a... Where is he at? Yeah, Ezra. That's his name. He's going to give me a full bag of these, and yeah, and basically they're really cool. They're supposed to be yellow. They're all yellow. And they're kind of cool because someone says they shoot money, so apparently they do. Shoots company coins, but I didn't get any. Yeah, I didn't get no company coins.
Like, look, this normal one doesn't shoot anything. Look. It doesn't shoot the things or anything.
Yeah, it's just normal like that. Okay, but there's also some... Let's see if there is any new items. To see, is there?
Oh, shit.
Nah, there isn't. But there is some new stuff here.
I need ammo.
Oh, you need ammo? Okay, give me a sec, though. Hoppin' hoodies pack. Pack of 4 rabbit hoodies and color variations. I know, you need ammo. But basically, this is what it looks. This looks cool. I like this. It's like the hoodie. I like the hoodie. Drip bunny pack. This exciting outfit bundle comes with 3 outfit colors, variations of bunny ears, Easter vest bundle. Ears and Easter vest bundle. That's cool. There's the turtle pack still, but here is the new one. It's the, what's it called? Delta hair.
Whoa, look!
Oh, there's some new skins.
Painted shell set.
Okay, I'll check out these after, but let me check these out. Ready to sneak inside spooky places and retrieve sneaky treasures. I'm at secret treasures. Meet Delta hair, complete with 4 stylish outfits, adorable floppy ears, and a hefty 10,000 company coins, which is cost $30.20.
I should get that. I think I'm gonna get that actually.
I'm trying to collect every single
I might get that because I think guys, by the way, me and him, I think we're gonna be grinding. Maybe we're gonna be grinding for company coins just to get 1 skin at least. Yeah. Before they go.
But also we have the spring shell set that is 25% off.
Yeah.
That is 2,100 company coins. The painted shell set.
No, cause look, this one's 1,000. I think we should save up for this one.
Oh wait, they're different actually. This one's different. These two are different. These two are the same. The painted shell set, the gold shell set is way more. It's 27% off, and this is 25, which is 1,950. But let's see. Is there any other things? Oh yeah, the fans. I forgot about these. So apparently there's big fans. I don't know what they do. So let's see. Whoa.
Yeah, like look. Oh. So
let me take my loot off and see if it makes me go higher. Yeah, see, if you have like all green, then it will probably set you more farther than usual. But here's some ammo, by the way, because you needed it. Just don't waste it all, okay? I'll buy you 2. Okay. But there's another one right here, so I think let's try to see if it launches me. Bro, oh my god, I just launched so high. Oh my god, that's high. Why is there no leaves on the tree anymore? It just looks like a wise old tree. That's cool. That's creepy. Not cool. I was gonna say cool, but it's cool.
I think this is a new strongest fan in the game.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Let's see how far I go with my stuff on.
Okay, bro.
I have my stuff on.
Do you know what the new map is?
Yes, I do, my friend.
Okay, let's go ahead and check it out right now. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the new map because my friend Ezra, he had to go for some family business. Well, let's go ahead and check it out. So there's a fan here, which it launches me. I think let's do that again because it should launch me all the way over there. And release. Hey, it still works. Hey, yo, I said release. Okay, let's go. So apparently I'm guessing, ow, my hand. I'm guessing that, what's it called? Chicken is right there, and that's where the new map is, but let's go ahead and check this place out first. It's Rockman. So, hello Rockman. Welcome home. Oh god, he chases me. Oh yeah, turn off that light. Oh, where'd my flashlight go? There is a fan here, so we're gonna try this fan out. Ooh. Let's check out this fan. Ooh. Oh, let's try that again. Whee! There we go. Okay, so apparently there's a cardboard box here. We don't need. There's a sticker gun. Yay. Let's throw this, but then put this. Okay. So apparently there's the chicken egg, and I think I see it. But I think these are useful because you can do this, and then just it helps you out. Why is it acting like that? So I can't place it right here. There we go. Right here? Right here? Okay. Nope. But there was a button here. So press that. I think that's when the chicken moves. Oh, what? Wait. Chicken just got there. Fucking fast. Holy God. Holy God. Where's he at now? Holy God. Dang, I'm not doing that again. Oh God. Holy God. Holy crap. He's fast. So let's go this way. So if I ever come back, we always know it's this way. Anyway, let's go find our path. And there he is. There he is. Oh, press the button again. But so, just so we know where to go, the button thing is right here. Okay, so let's get going. He's stuck there. If we can go past. That's where Lady's at. So look, where is our path back? I just realized that. Okay, path is back here. Okay, we're gonna put a path going this way. I think I have to be that way to do it. Dang it. Punch the... Okay, I'm sorry. It is a funny song. Where's chicken? No. Oh my god, why is a lady here? Okay, so look. Where's she at right now? Where do we enter? So we enter from there. So we don't want to go that way. We want to go that. Okay, let's try this out. No, let's not keep going. Let's not press the button. Phew, I thought it was chasing me. Let's check here. Is this the path that is gonna lead us to? That was. I think of this. Oh. He keeps going that way. Wherever he keeps going, let's go. Okay. Oh, dead end. Oh, here it is. I found the egg. Let's go. Okay, let's hurry up and go back. Okay, let's hurry up. Let's go this way. Never mind. Wait. Yep, here we are. Let's go. We just got ourselves the egg. So let's go. Okay, so we can teleport home. I mean, we can go back home now. Because that was easy, not gonna lie. He just completed the maze. I'm kind of happy now. So, I guess that's kind of the end of the video. But let's go ahead and show you how much it cost, and let's end the video. So, it basically looks like this. It is a really egg. There is one, like I said, there's a few up here, but let's see how much they cost for I think they cost for a lot. I think that's what people said. Okay, let's see. This might be a lot. I'm not for sure. Because they said that it would be a lot, but I actually didn't have to use the revolver at all. And it was, I knew it. Like, I knew the set. It's $3,414. That's crazy. But anyways, I guess have a good day. Bounce back. Don't be down when bad things happen. Always be positive, and I guess